to survive, I'll be honest. Your loving ain't totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi ule. Your body de bakamishi ule. Upon a